Hey, and welcome to the YepText Classroom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your follow-up message. So pretty much what your follow-up message is when someone texts to your Yep word to subscribe to your list, they will get an automatic response back to their phone, which is an automatic text response, and that is what your follow-up message is. So pretty much you have two ways to get there, but the simplest way to get to your YepText follow-up message is by just clicking on the first step here, which is create your follow-up message. So once you do this, it'll take you to the place where you can create your follow-up message. Now, the next step is it asks you to please choose a Yep word to set up for your auto reply. So we're going to just go to any of these. For example, I'll go to Adam here, which is my name, and it'll take you to the next step, and this is pretty much what it will look like on your screen. And you'll notice right here, this is the auto reply message, and you could have this to be whatever you want it to be. You could say thanks for subscribing, can't wait to give you coupons, deals, and updates. Whatever it is, that's pretty much what the automatic text message will be once they subscribe. And then all you have to do is click update, and it'll change it, and you'll see what it looks like right here in the phone, and then you are pretty much good to go from there. Now, if you do not want to have an auto reply message, there is a feature that is not here right now, but it's usually right here under the send Adam to 41242 to see how this looks on your phone. It'll say turn off this feature. All you have to do is click turn off this feature, and automatically they will not receive a follow-up message. Now, I recommend having a follow-up message just because the people will then know that they did subscribe to something, and they will get used to receiving a text message from you. But if for some reason, for whatever reason it is, you do not want to have that feature, don't worry, you can click the turn off feature, which would be right here where my mouse is, and it is not here currently, but it should be there on your account. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Hopefully that makes sense, and see you in another video. Thanks.